thunderstorm warning for east central Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, northwestern Sheboygan County and east central Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Elkhart Lake, or 8 miles west of Plymouth, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Elkhart Lake, Greenbush, St. Cloud, Glenboyle and Town of Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.